Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video, and by the title, you know what this is about, so let's get started. And you know it's your girl Elle.
Hey guys, it's T. The name of this dove, the common name for this dove is Eurasian collared dove. And the scientific name for the Eurasian collared dove is Streptopelia decaacto. And yes, this dove is also a part of the Columbidae family. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, feel free to check out our other dove videos. Just click the iCard and it'll take you straight there. Just in case you didn't notice, this dove is on a power wire. In other words, an electric wire. Yes, just look at him on the wire, posing and all.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell button to become an Aspire to Be star and join our galaxy if you haven't already.
The Eurasian collared dove is now checking out his environment. This bird right here, Stars, is a pigeon, which also belongs to the Columbidae bird family and is known as white-crowned pigeon. Fun fact, for as long as I've known myself, these pigeons have always been referred to as ball plates. White-crowned pigeons are known for eating fruits and seeds, hence why it was easy for us to find them in a blackberry tree. Speaking of blackberries are very healthy for your body, and to find out more of what it could be doing for you, feel free to click the iCard and visit our health benefits of fruits video. You'll find the blackberry there and tons of other fruits. Moving along, the scientific name for the white-crowned pigeon is down on the screen in the left-hand bottom corner. This is an owl being viewed from behind. I'm not sure which type of owl this is, but let's change the point of view and get a closer look. Yeah, so here's a better view. It's an owl and it's daytime, so I'll take a wild guess and say this owl is sleeping. Well, I can say that from what I know about owls. I know that owls are active in the nighttime and not very active in the daytime. They're sleeping. So if you know anything about owls and you would like to mention it, please do so down in the comment section. This is my first time seeing an owl of this kind. I've only seen a white owl and a short little brown one with black and white streaks. It looks nothing like this one, but what I want to say is admire the beauty of this owl. Like, look at the pattern of his feathers and how they're arranged. It's just beautiful. So just take time out to look at how beautiful this owl is.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.